as I am on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster.
So I forgot to make an intro, but hopefully this will work. I hope y'all enjoy these hairstyles. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The first thing I did was my edges, just so I can get them out the way, because baby, I will take 2 years on my edges, honestly. For my first hairstyle, I just did 2 little buns at the top of my head. They wasn't really perfect, but I just love this style because it's so simple and cute. It's not really simple. All I did was pull out 2 little pieces of hair in the front and made 2 little pigtails while I had some hair in the back out. And then I just stapled the style by adding some little, what are them things called? Some clips. I'm gonna just call them some clips. I forgot what they was called. The next style, I would say this style is when you just down bad, don't have nothing else to do. You just slick that hair down, kind of into a little ponytail, but it's kind of like a half ponytail. Make your hair look extra thick, and also make your edges look hella laid. So do it because, girl, I kind of love this style. No lie. For this style, all I did was some zigzags and I put it in a ponytail. I feel like this style is very cute, very different. If you want to try something new, go ahead and do it, boo, because you're not going to regret it. I'm rocking the ponytail, baby. Put it in a bun. You can't go wrong with a bun. Everybody know that. And then just to spice it up a little bit, I just did the zigzag and one little ponytail. I felt like this was really cute too, and I would wear this every day if I could. I mean, I could wear it every day, but I kind of like to switch it up. But anyways, and why not put it in a bun? Because a bun is cute too, boo. A bun is cute too. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.